So just ordered myself some G Hook Godspeed discs, so let's have an unboxing and see what they're like. Very well packaged, he says. Cut my way in. Very well packaged. Oh. With what looks like a invoice with a Godspeed air freshener as well, and I'm guessing just the invoice. Yeah. Oh, it's got a fitting guide on how to fit your brakes as well, which is really good. Discs must be bedded in for 250 to 300 gentle road miles before hard use to prolong the life of the disc. Right, let's see if we can break into them now. These are very well packaged. I just thought it would be Christmas again so quickly. Well, they look ginormous. They look really good. They are definitely look very well made. Do note that they've got a rotation mark on there, so it tells you which way you need to obviously fit them, because they do have a rotation. Well, they have a rotation. Let's just check the other one, which is below it, which is just a box taped to the box, obviously. Try to do it without cutting myself to shreds. Easier said than done. Here we go. And there is the second one. So looking at more close at these, so this is the G Hook. So like I say, what they reckon these do, they reduce the vibration when you're braking, but it also vents like it does with the groove discs from before. As I say, each one's got a rotation on there, so it tells you which way you need to fit the discs. Let's fit these, let's see what they feel like, and start bedding them in. Right, let's go. See what we think of them, see if they're any quieter. I doubt we're going to notice any difference in my car because you can't hear anything apart from my exhaust. Okay, so we've done the bedding in procedure and we're actually gone a bit further now. We're at 330 miles. We've done the braking from speed like it says in the instructions, so all is good. Now these are definitely not as loud when braking hard as the dimple and groove that I've used on all of my other cars. However, performance wise, you can't beat it. I mean, I've broke really hard and they really are gripping. I'm super impressed. Great value for money. So I hope this video has helped, and we'll see you again in another idiot in his garage. Thanks for watching.